Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rizviani Selastika from class 7C, and this is my research proposal about investigating the classroom interaction in listen, read, discuss activities of extensive reading listen in university context. Students' perception. Okay, for the background of the study, Salsa-Murcia 1987 state that classroom interaction is an activity of interaction between students to teacher and student to students. Interaction between teacher, students, and student to students are needed in the classroom activities, taking communicative approach. Interaction occur when two or more people or things communicate to each other. But there are still many students who are passive in the classroom interaction. Most of the interaction that occur only teacher to students, and there is still very little interaction between students to teacher and student to students. There are many ways to improve classroom interaction between teacher, students, and student to student. One of them is using listen, read, discuss activities. According to Richardson, 1999, LRD is a comprehension strategy that builds students' prior knowledge before they read a text, during reading, and after reading by listening. The teacher should lecture, reading a text selection and discussion. It is proposed to find out how active teacher, students, and students interact in the classroom. And also, this research has different from this previous study. The previous research concerned to analyze the classroom interaction and using LRD for a strategy, while this research focused on investigating classroom interaction in LRD activity of English reading listen. And for the research question, there are two questions. First is, how is the implementation of LRD activities in English reading listen? By knowing the implementation of LRD activities in English reading listen, we will know how it used to make a classroom interaction more active. And for the next is, how is the classroom interaction in LRD activities in English reading listen? Because we don't really know how the classroom interaction in English reading class using LRD activities. Okay, next is research purpose. The research purpose is based on the research question. It is to find out how the implementation of LRD activities in English reading listen, and to find out the classroom interaction in LRD activities in English reading listen. Okay, for the next is conceptual framework. Based on Redford 2011, a classroom is an entity viewed as a community of practice where two joint action take place, teaching and learning within a communicative process. It means that classroom interaction is a communicative process that happens between participants who are in the classroom, teacher and students over the process of teaching and learning. And Birch 2007 and Rumhart 1918, reading is an interactive process. Reading is one of the most important skill in learning language. Reading is a means of the language acquisition, of communication, and information sharing of ideas. And according to Manjo and Ula Kasalet, all say that the LRD strategy was created as a starter method for bringing traditional instruction to a more interactive approach. Traditional reading-based instruction typically begin by having students read the assignment, listen to brief lecture or overview by the teacher, and then discuss their response to a question. Okay, next is research method. This research uses a qualitative design, and it is a type of a case study approach. And for the population of this study is students of the English Education Department, Class A of 4th semester who took extensive reading course. And for the sample is 10 participants from one class in English Education Department 2020. And for the instrumentation is first is observation, and the next is questionnaire, and for the last is interview. And for procedure, conducted in State Islamic University, Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung, the data collection starts with observing the classroom. The data is used to develop students' respond about as interaction in the classroom using LRD activities in English reading listen. And continue with administering the questionnaire. The researcher make 10 or more question related to this title. And for the last is interview. Interview the participant to get the data reset for the second question about how the classroom interaction in LRD activities in reading listen. Okay, I think that's all the research proposal that I proposed for my best student thesis. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.